First, you want to take 2 slices of sourdough bread, get some butter on it, and then put it in your pan.
We're going to wait for that to get a little brown and crispy, and then we're going to put the cheese and bacon on top. So while you're waiting for your bread to warm up, you're going to put the bacon on the side. And the cheese on one of the slices of bread. And we're just going to wait for that to melt a little bit.
Once your slices of bread are nice and toasty, take everything off and assemble your sandwich. Start by layering your bacon.
And then you want to layer your avocado slices. Just do about half of an avocado. And now we're going to put this on top. And cut it diagonally. There we go. Our bacon avocado melt on sour. So now we're going to be making a dessert called dirt. You start with chocolate pudding. And then you're going to layer some Oreos on top. And then do another layer of the chocolate pudding. And finish it off with some Oreos. And then to top that off, you want to do a little whipped cream. And some gummy frogs on top. And there you have it. Look for it on an upcoming menu. Hope you enjoy.